Hi, I'm Dr. Raj Shah, and I'm very excited to announce that I'm going to be doing a Math PD workshop with the amazing Dr. James Tanton, creator of Exploding Dots. James and I have put together a one-day PD workshop for you that is going to help you teach it once. No more having to repeat yourself over and over again, because you're going to learn how to create and conduct lessons that stick. We have a series of strategies we're going to share with you that really are small changes you can make to get big wins in the classroom. And what's better than that is the last few hours of the workshop, you'll be able to work with us, with your curriculum, to create those lessons and experiences for yourself. So that way you can walk away confident knowing that you can go into class and implement these things successfully. So if you're looking to do that, spark curiosity and engagement, get kids to productively struggle, and figure out how they can have more joy in math class every single day with your own curriculum, then I encourage you to go to bit.ly/Feb27 workshop. There you can sign up. Seats are limited, so I recommend you get signed up as soon as you can, and I look forward to seeing you there.